Hello, and welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to explore several handy array methods. I have a numerical array named points. Let's start the video with the map method. Let's create a function called myDouble. This function will double any number by multiplying it by 2. To use it, provide a parameter named value, and it will return the value multiplied by 2. Now, let's declare a variable called number1 and set it equal to the points.map. In parentheses, use the name of the function, myDouble. Finally, to see the result, use console.log with the message multiply by 2 and here use the same variable. When you save it, we get a new array where every element is doubled. The map method creates this new array by applying the function to each element in the original array. The map method is like making a list where you do something to each item and then put it in the list. Now, duplicate this code. We're about to explore the flatMap method. In this version, let's change the variable name to number2. Instead of map, use the flatMap method. You can also change the function name. For example, I'll call it my function. Also, change it here. In the console log, replace the number1 variable with the number2. Surprisingly, you'll get the same result with flatMap. Although the results are identical, map and flatMap are not the same. To notice the distinction, let's modify the function. Wrap the return value in square brackets and place it before the doubled value. Copy this line and paste it in the function below. The map method creates a new list with pairs, essentially producing a separate list of all the doubled values with nesting. On the other hand, flatMap creates a flat list without pairs, which is particularly handy when you prefer a single-level result. It not only doubles each number but also combines all the pairs into one flat list. Let's make a copy of this code and then clear all the code to move forward. Our next topic is the filter method. We have an array of numbers, and we aim to find all the numbers greater than 20. For this task, return values that are greater than 20. Let's change the variable name to, for instance, over 18, and apply the filter method. In the console, update the message to greater than 20, and insert the over 18 variable here. With a filter, you go through each number and check if it's greater than 20. You create a new list with only the numbers that are greater than 20. Now, duplicate this code. We're about to explore the reduce method. In this version, let's change the variable name to mySum. Instead of filter, use the reduce method. You can also change the function name. For example, I'll call it myResult. Also, change it here. We'll need to pass 2 parameters in this step. The first one is sum, which will keep track of the sum of all elements, and the second parameter is element, representing each item. For the return value, simply add sum to element. Now, in the console, let's update the message to sum of all elements and include the variable, which in this case is mySum. The reduce method is like adding up all the items in a list to get a single result. In simple terms, filter helps you create a new list by selecting specific items, and reduce helps you get a single result by combining all the items in the list. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.